Welcome to Falcon Excel Academy. I am Keval Vijay, and today I am going to teach you lecture number 14 in MS Excel 2021. Today we will talk about the Insert Tabs group, learn about sparklines, filters, and links. But before starting the lecture, as always, I would like to say that if you are able to learn something new from today's video, please make sure to like and share this video. So let's start today's lecture. First of all, we will talk about sparklines, how you can insert a sparkline inside a cell. What is a sparkline? It is also a type of chart, but while other charts are inserted over the entire sheet, a sparkline can be inserted inside a single cell. You can also call it a small chart. You can even call it a mini chart. So what you need to do first is select all the data for which you want to create a chart. That is, here I have the data, and then what do I need to do? From the sparkline options, I need to click on column here. After clicking on column, a small box to create a sparkline will open in front of you. After that, you need to specify the location range here, where you want to insert the chart or the sparkline. For example, this area here is available to us, and after you click on OK, you'll see that the sparkline has been inserted here in the column. So you can see here that we had 5 subjects, and the data for all 5 subjects is appearing here in this. You'll notice that in some places the volume is lower, and in others it's higher. This means that the marks are going up and down accordingly. If you want to change this, see, as soon as you clicked inside it, a sparkline tab opened up here at the top. By clicking here, you can also change its color scheme, and after that, you can also display the highest point, your high point, here. For example, when I clicked on the green color here, now all the green ones we have are the highest points. Then you must have clicked on the line. So, as soon as we clicked on the line, see, we have the first point here, and after that, this last point is also being shown here, and then the high point is turning off from here and turning on from here. The low point is turning off from here and turning on from here. So in this way, you can also do editing in it. So this is how you can insert a sparkline. And the next command we are going to learn about is slicer. How you can insert a slicer on a page or sheet to make your work even easier. The slicer command that we have works together with filters and tables. And when combined with tables and filters, it makes this tool even more powerful. So for this, I have created a sheet here. For example, when I come to my second sheet, I have some records here in which, as you can see, I have salesmen and then they are selling these products here. And we want to know how much total sales they made in January, how much in February, how much in March, and we want to see the record of each salesman separately. And along with that, we also want to see which salesman is selling which product and how much of it has been sold. So, what do we need to do for this? First of all, we need to select all those cells where your data is written, because the slice command works together with the table, that is with the filter. So after selecting all the cells like this, you will see a quick analysis icon here in the corner. As soon as we click here, you will see that we have a command here called table. You need to click on table. After that, simply click on table. And as soon as you do, the table will be applied here. Now after that, you need to select the heading here, then click on home, and after that go to sort and filter and click on filter so that the filter is also applied here. After that, what you need to do is add the auto sum command here as well. Here we click on auto sum, and then by dragging it, we fill this formula into all these cells. So now we have to use the slicer tool. After doing this much work, you will select all the cells like this. After selecting all the cells, you need to go to the Insert tab and then click on the Slicer tool. After that, you'll see that a dialog box for Insert Slicer will open in front of you. If you want to view the record of a salesman, you will click on Salesman and then click OK. Now, as you can see here, the names of all the salesmen will be displayed. If you click on the name of any salesman, you will see that their record appears here. Their total is also shown here. So in this way, we can also display the records by name here. And after that, if we want to know which salesman is selling which item and want to view the records according to the item, then first we click on clear filter here so that all the data is displayed. Then select all these sales. After selecting, you need to go to the Insert tab. Then you have to click on Slicer, and after that click on Items. Once you click on Items, as soon as you click on it, you'll see that another slicer has opened here. If you want to see the records for the keyboard here, click on Keyboard. 3 people are selling keyboards, Ali Raza, Majid and Raza. There are 2 people selling LEDs here. there are 3 people selling mice here. So, in this way, we can also view their records here, both item-wise and name-wise. If you want to clear this, you can click here to clear the filter as well. If you want to view the records of 2 products together, just click on one product. Then, while holding down the control key, click on the second product, and after that, you will see that both the keyboard and printer records are being displayed here. So, by inserting slices in this way, we can make our work even more creative. If you want to delete it, click on its outline. First, clear this. Click here on its outline and delete it. Then click on its outline. You can also delete it. So, before applying the slicer, you need to convert this into a table. After that, you need to apply the filter, then use the select command, and after that, we will move on to the next command. About links. How you need to insert a hyperlink. Suppose you have another file stored somewhere, maybe on a different drive in a different folder, and it could be any type of file. It could be a Word file, an Excel file, a PowerPoint file, an image, an audio file, or a video file. Any such file that is stored somewhere on any drive, you can create its link here. So for that, what you need to do is click on the cell in which you want to create the link. Then you have to click on link, and after that, select that file. The file for which you want to create a link here, once you click on it, you will see that the link to that file has now been created here. Here it is showing top 10 Excel functions .xls. So we have the file name here, and the link has been created in the very cell you clicked on. Now, for example, if I click here, that file will open from here. In this way, if your file is located somewhere else, you just need to click here. After clicking, go to the link. After clicking on the link, we need to go to that drive from here, the drive where the files are stored. Just like we have the Falcon folder here, and we go into it. We have Excel data here, and after that, in other, we can select any file and click OK, and as soon as we click here, that file will open right here for you. So this was our lecture for today, lecture number 14, in which you learned about sparklines, slicers, and filters, and how to create hyperlinks. I hope you learned a lot of new things in today's lecture. So if you liked the video, please like it and share it with your friends.